parallelogram ABCD. This is a parallelogram ABCD where E and F are the midpoints of side AB and CD. E and F are the midpoints. E is the midpoint of side AB and F is the midpoint of the side CD, respectively. Show that the line segment AF and EC trisect the diagonal BD. This is the line segment AF. This is the line segment CE. This trisect. What do you mean by trisect? We will write given. First, we will write parallelogram ABCD, and also E and F are midpoints of AB and CD. This is what I have. उसके बाद to prove E जो ये lines हैं, these are trisecting this diagonal. Trisecting means dividing into 3 equal parts. That means DP is equals to PQ is equals to BQ. We have to prove this. So I think question is very clear to us now that we are given a parallelogram where E and F are the midpoints of corresponding sides, and we have to prove that the line AF and EC trisect the diagonal DP into 3 equal parts where DP equal PQ equal BQ. ये हो गया. Now to prove it, what we do, let us prove that this is a parallelogram. Let us prove that this is a parallelogram. See, AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD. AB is parallel to CD and AB is equal to CD. This is what we have. Now, half of AB, because these are opposite sides of parallelogram. This is the reason. In geometry, we have to write every reason now. So, if these are parallel, their halves will also be parallel. Their halves will also be equal. It implies, since E is a midpoint, AE is parallel to CF. F is the midpoint, CF. And AE is equals to CF. Reason, E and F are midpoints. This is the reason. Now A is parallel to CF. A is equals to CF. It means what? It means AE CF is parallelogram. Because we know if in a quadrilateral, one pair of side is equal as well as parallel, then the figure is a parallelogram. Right. Then if the figure is a parallelogram, it means we have proved that it is a parallelogram. So now let us consider the triangle, this triangle. Let us consider this triangle, right? Triangle DQC. In this triangle, the line PF is parallel to QC because we have just proved that it is a parallelogram. And F is midpoint. And we know if from midpoint we draw a parallel line to the base, that means that line bisects the third side. It implies P is midpoint of DQ. That is DP is equals to PQ. By converse of midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem क्या कहती है कि अगर मेरे पास एक मिड पॉइंट है और उससे मैं बेस के पैरेलल एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर रही हूं, तो वो जो लाइन है जो एफ से ड्रॉ की है वो इस साइड को मिड पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करेगी. So we have proved that DP is equals to PQ. Similarly, no need to prove the again. If I consider this triangle, again using the same property that E is a midpoint and this is a line which is parallel to AP, therefore Q is the midpoint of BP. Similarly, In triangle ABP, BQ is equals to PQ. No need to write anything, no need to explain anything. Now this, since we can see PQ दोनों में common है. So on comparing these two, I find DP is equals to BQ is equals to, hence proved.